Welcome back to Darkwater Actual. I'm joined here by
Mrs. Darkwater
and Darkwater Actual. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Molsect Jungle model 2023. Full disclosure, this knife was sent to me free of charge by Molsect to check out. We're going to give this a fair and honest review. So let's check out the Jungle.
Yeah.
glasses case.
So nice.
That's what looks like grandma's glasses case actually.
It does. Nice though.
Yeah, it is very cool.
Unique.
Very 60s probably
Yeah,
actually.
it's unique though. You don't really find that typically.
No. Huh, very cool. I like that.
I mean, it would be nice in a purse. Like I'm thinking, man, that would look really nice.
Can I put this? Actually, it kind of looks like a wallet.
Mm-hmm.
Just need a little strap on there. Ooh, paracord, not for sale. Really cool charcoal colored microfiber. Chrome sticker. Magnet pin. Label pin. Desiccant. Owner's manual. And now for the Jungle. Molsect. All right. I know exactly what I'm thinking this looks like.
Skin. That's what it looked like to me.
Yeah,
Snake skin?
it does.
Snake skin or armadillo. And the coolest letter in the alphabet.
Yeah.
If you know, you know. Yeah, that is a very cool, it's 3D machined G10. Very tight pocket clip. Awesome.
I like the little accent of the red.
I do too. Let's give her a flip. Oh, baby.
He is a beast.
Oh,
Like-
Lord. Yeah, that's...
I mean, I was gonna say put it in my purse, but I think that's a little overkill for
Yeah.
a purse knife. But you know, it's pretty awesome.
Depends on how big of a purse you have, I guess.
True. And I guess where you're.
It's like a 10-gallon purse to put this thing in.
Yeah.
Yeah, this actually, you know what this reminds me? I mean, it says Jungle on it. This is like a machete, but it folds.
Yeah.
Check out the lockup, looking good.
It'd be cool if it's like a mini version.
Oh, yeah.
Mini
Yeah, see,
jungle.
I just have no good way to hold this on here. I have large hands, and you got like extra large, double extra large, and pack of bananas hands right here. So this thing is huge. Love the clip point blade on it. Let's get into some quick specs about the Jungle.
You have an overall length of 9.64 inches, a blade length of 4.3 inches, a handle length of 5.35 inches. We have blade thickness at 0.12 inches and the handle thickness 0.59 inches. And the overall weight 10.6 ounces or 302 grams.
Good Lord in heaven. That is a monster. This blade is constructed of 14C28N. It is a clip point, pretty obvious, flat grind with a black satin finish. And it is very attractive.
I like it.
This thing is aggressive. This is like what Dundee would pull out at the bar.
Yep.
It's not a knife. This is a knife. It comes with a deep carry pocket clip. It is recessed, but it has little mushroom heads down there poking out. Thank you, Bees Blades, for the term. And it is not ambidextrous, so tip up right hand carry only. Looks like it has a matching G10 back spacer. Check the jimping on here. A lot of purchase on here. And It is radiused jimping, but you can still get a good grip on it. Also, good jimping on the back of the blade.
Right, just to show with a smaller hand, I have very petite hands, so it's, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of room there. That thing is very heavy and pretty monstrous, but I think I could scare some people off with it if I needed to, you know, throw it in the, but that's a pretty, yeah.
If you pull that out, I'm not sure what I would think.
That mean business?
I'd have two movements, a physical movement and a bowel movement.
Right. Yeah. I don't even know. All right. Let's get into some size comparisons.
Starting off, we have the petrified fish deep sea, and the deep sea is a very large, actually it's an extra large knife, and as you can see, the jungle dwarfs it. Crazy. Next up is the Benchmade Vicar. The Vicar is also an extra large knife, and again, the jungle is huge. Very good comparison. Next up is a Zero Tolerance Sinkovich 0452. It's an absolutely large knife, and you can clearly see they're about the same length, but I guarantee you this one weighs at least a third of the weight, if not even less. Maybe a quarter or a third of the weight. Great size comparison. And last but not least, I had to pull something out that was larger than the jungle. I just didn't even know what to do with such a large knife. This is the Black Talon 2 from Cold Steel, and I believe it's the biggest pocket knife in my collection as far as length goes. And you can see how it's actually got the jungle beat. But again, the jungle is probably 3 times as heavy. All right, you two, what are your final thoughts or impressions on this?
It's a big knife, and I really like the coating on the blade and the thumb stud. The thumb stud is very nice. I like the color on it. I like the handle. It's cool. I like that, like, snake skin. It does remind me it'd be like something from a jungle.
I agree. I think it's really unique. I like the handle. It resembles snakeskin or scales of some sort, and that red accent of the thumb stud is just something different on it. So I like that stands out.
Yeah, it just makes it pop.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it's huge. I don't think that it would be something that I would necessarily carry myself, but I can definitely see a certain person, like certain people that would.
What do you mean, you people?
Yeah, right. I don't know, just knife lovers, just because it's unique, it's different, it's a statement knife, I would say. It's more of a statement knife. Like, you want to have a statement with it, like, this is that's the real deal.
Yeah,
kind of thing.
I agree.
I probably want to be able to carry it in my pocket.
Definitely not a 5th pocket kind of knife, that's for sure. But I think if they made a mini, that would be really cool. A little bit smaller, same kind of style.
Probably be able to carry a mini version, but not this one.
I figured you guys would dig it because of the scales. You guys really like dragons and things like that, so it's kind of more of that, a little bit more of a fantasy style or something of the way that it looks. But I think the name Jungle fits it well.
Yeah, absolutely. I think they should make a 75% version of this and call it like the Habitat or something. And so, you know, about this overall length would be really cool, 75-80%. And then it would be, you know, the size of a traditional pocket knife. But for what this is, I mean, if you're using it for self-defense or clearing the jungle or whatever, everything in between, I think this could absolutely handle the job. Thank you, Molsect, for providing this to the channel, and we look forward to putting it through some tests. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And if you have time, check out Molsect's Instagram. They have a whole series explaining Molsect and what that means. And it is exactly what it sounds like. It's not spelled that way, but Molsect is actually based off of moles, and sect is like a particular group. So really neat that they did that. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Please give this video a like.
Comment.
Comment down below.
You heard the lady. Thank you for spending time with us checking out the Molsect Jungle. Have a good day.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.